Hey guys, this is Allie from Wheel Like a Girl, and I got this new phone recently. I've been hanging out with the iPhone SE for the longest time, and I just plunged on the iPhone XS, the brand new iPhone. So with my new iPhone, I got a new phone mount a couple weeks ago, and last week I went to Jeeptoberfest with it, and it's awesome, so I just have to share it with you guys. So the mount is from ProClip USA. And basically they have like a bunch of dashes or a bunch of bases you can choose from for your Jeep. So I chose this base. This is like the medium size base. The first base is like this much. This is a second size base, and the third base like comes out more on the edges here that extends past your radio. So this is the base that I ordered. And I opted for a magnet mount, which I'm really happy that I did because I really like it. This is the magnet mount. It's from IO Auto. It comes like this. And this is the actual magnet you put on your phone, which it comes 2 in a pack, which is awesome. And this is the 3M sticker that they send so that you can place between the magnet and your phone to kind of protect your phone from the magnet sticker. So basically, I'm gonna show you how this goes on because it's so easy to mount, and after going on the Jeeptoberfest obstacle courses and off-roading with this mount, it doesn't shake. My phone stays completely still. The magnet holds it on super strong. I never feared for it to fall at all. And it's just a really good mount, and I can actually I'll show you this after. I can picture multiple things being mounted on here. And this is the extra strength mount. This top part is actually for a GoPro mount, and I use the GoPro a lot. So I definitely like that it comes with the GoPro mount and 2 already built-in mounts for 2 different phones. So it could be driver and passenger or whatever you want. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually attach the magnet to the base. And I found it easier if I just take off this magnet part. So I took off the magnet part. Then I'm gonna align this up with the driver's side hole. So I'm going to put the first mount on the driver's side, obviously because this is for my phone. So just line it up, and then it comes with 4 screws. And just so happens my Leatherman is the perfect size for these screws, so I'll just screw it in with my Leatherman multi-tool. Okay, so once I have this screwed on, I can just screw this magnet part back onto here. And voila, that's our mount. So this works with both the super stock radio, which is what I have, and the upgraded radio from factory on the JK. So basically, once you take the tape off, you have to align this in the middle of the radio and get it to fit in that slit right there between the radio and the rest of the dash, and kind of push it in. And then you just push into the back and it clips in just like that. You can see that's the GoPro mount at the top, which will angle your GoPro perfectly. And then this is the mount on the driver's side. And then obviously there's pre-drilled holes for the other side, so you can mount whatever you want. So this is what my phone looks like after I put the 3M tape, which is this, to protect it from the magnet. I didn't really need to put the 3M tape because it's on a case, so it doesn't really matter. If you don't like this square outline here, when there's a circle magnet, you can always just cut the 3M tape in the circle shape, and that way you don't have this extra material here hanging out when you put it on your phone. So bam, this is the ProClip installed. It's super easy to angle this in whichever direction you want, so that's what I love about the magnet mount. I can definitely see myself installing other things on here. For example, my Baofeng radio that I use when I off-road, and my CB radio, the handheld part, can totally go on here too. So this ProClip mount and the entire mounting system is awesome for Jeepers. And also, like, this already comes with the pre-drilled holes for another cell phone mount, or any kind of mount really. So that's cool if you want your passengers to have their cell phone mount or co-driver. And yeah, it's just an awesome mount overall. So I really like it. The only thing is visibility to some of these radio buttons is kind of gone, but they're kind of useless buttons, like eject, and nobody uses CDs anymore. And seek, either way, are kind of blocked by my phone. But those are really for CDs as well. However, the volume, the AM, FM, satellite, disc aux, and all the other buttons are perfectly reachable and visible even with the mount. Okay guys, so I hope you liked my little review and install video on the ProClip mount. I definitely recommend it for Jeeps because there's so many different things you can actually mount on it, like the GoPro, 2 cell phones, radios, etc. So I think that's really awesome and versatile for Jeeping, and especially all the stuff we do while we're in the Jeep and off-roading. So I definitely recommend it, and I think it's an awesome product with a lot of potential. If you have any comments or questions, just drop them in the comments and I'll try to answer them to the best I can.